on a daily basis that everybody here in the building uses?
Right, but here's the good news. Once I ruin this microwave, we have the other microwave as a backup. All right, you guys ready? Here we go.
Ready.
Sorry, Lori won't be on the show next week.
I'm going for a paid suspension.
Good luck with that.
All right, we're at about 10 seconds, and I layered this microwave with paper towels. So what could go wrong?
Oh, okay.
This one is spinning also. The other one didn't spin.
Oh, that's
Round and around and around she goes. Where she stops, nobody knows. About 30 seconds into it.
You're standing right in front of that door?
I sure am. I'm not even using a selfie this time, baby. A selfie stick. All right, so we're at about 40 seconds. Wow. Yeah, okay, now I'm starting to get scared. I'm trying to back up as much as humanly possible. Okay, wow. We're almost at 1 whole minute in this microwave. It has, wait, for God's sakes, what is it with these microwaves? Something cracked. I heard a little puh. All right, okay, all right, we're stopping.
This is not boding well for a very exciting Super Bowl.
All right, so, oh, it looks like, here we go. It appears the eagle's egg pud first.
You say what?
First.
Wow.